Welcome to Gloom Ghouls, where stories come alive to give you your daily dose of adrenaline. Let's dive into today's gripping tale. The courtroom was alive with an electric tension, a pulse of anticipation that seemed almost tangible in the cavernous space. The architecture bore the hallmarks of a not-so-distant dystopian future, its minimalistic yet imposing design softened only by the eerily beautiful, holographic interfaces embedded within the walls. Holograms flickered faintly, their glowing forms adding a surreal quality to an already extraordinary trial. Jurors sat like faceless sentinels, expressions obscured by glowing visors, projecting unshakable authority, a stark representation of civilization's reliance on technology. At the center of this surreal theater stood the defendant, a man whose small, unassuming presence made him an unlikely trigger for such monumental scrutiny. He was not on trial for an act committed, but for a crime predicted by an AI so advanced, it claimed to forecast human behavior with chilling precision. Clara Torres, the defense attorney, radiated a presence that demanded respect. Known as a relentless advocate for individual freedom, she was a legend to many who feared unchecked technological overreach. Her sharp suit and resolute demeanor reflected her staunch support of human rights amid rising automation. To Clara, this was more than a legal battle. It was a philosophical one, challenging whether humanity's nuances could coexist with cold, algorithmic judgments about what defines guilt. Her opening statement was a masterclass in persuasion. "Ladies and gentlemen," she began, her voice ringing with resolve. "What hangs in the balance today is not merely a point of law. It is the essence of civilization itself. Do we value free will, or do we surrender it to machines?" Clara's rhetorical question forced the gallery to wrestle with the uncomfortable implications of predictive justice. She gestured to the glowing holograms surrounding them, her tone cutting through the room. "Progress demands sacrifice, but at what cost?" The gallery seemed enraptured as Clara painted vivid, cautionary pictures of justice gone astray. "Algorithms observe patterns," she argued passionately, "but can they understand nuance? Can they weigh fleeting thoughts against intent?" The murmurs in the room turned to stillness as every listener hung on her words. Her voice carried the weight of longing, for compassion, for wisdom, that no machine, no matter how advanced, could emulate. Clara stewarded doubt into the hearts of her audience, leaving an unmistakable sense of unease. The prosecution countered, backed by dazzling visualized data that depicted AI's unparalleled predictive power. "This is precision," they insisted, "a science proven to save lives by preventing tragedy before it occurs." Their holograms lit up the space, projecting graphs and glowing probabilities with stunning clarity. Yet Clara's rebuttal was like a storm, dismantling their precision with haunting questions of morality. Her words, sharp and unrelenting, asked, "Can a machine ever bear the weight of human consequence?" Thank you for watching Gloom and Ghouls. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure notifications are enabled so you never miss an episode. Join our community for more spine-tingling stories like this one, designed to keep you at the edge of your seat. This is Gloom and Ghouls, where adrenaline meets storytelling. See you tomorrow for more.